Today we're working on this 22-inch Toro recycler. Came in for no start condition. The first thing we're going to do is get it cleaned up a little bit since it's filthy. All right, we'll let that dry for a little bit, and then we'll bring it over in the shop. Gonna pull off the air filter cover real quick and pull out the air filter. Give it a little shot of spray, a little carb cleaner, and see if it'll kick over. All right, so if it'll kick over on spray, then we're gonna assume that it's just bad fuel in the carburetor, and that's where we'll go next. Going up. That'll do. All right, let's pull the carburetor off and see what we got. Back of the airbox. Got a little hole that'll pop off for the mount there. Do the fuel line. Oh yeah, that fuel's definitely old. And we just gotta pull the car by taking the two linkages out. Then we'll remove the ball bolts. Empty that out. Sure it's completely empty. Clean this out with a little carb cleaner. Reassemble. A little plastic washer in there, make sure it didn't fall out. And we're gonna put the linkages back in. Put that back into its mounted position. All the fuel is drained out of there. Reconnect that line. Put the clamp back. Reassemble the airbox. Make sure the rebreather tube is connected. Set her back down, put some gas in and see if she fires up.